Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Suyash. Hope you guys are doing well. So after a long time here I am uploading a long length video. So in this video I am going to show you how I give a smooth and realistic texture to my drawings. Using a blue ball pen. For this all you need is a blue ball pen and a paper. If you are a beginner then you should start with cheap pens. Okay, moving on to the next step. Here you can see my reset drawing. So in this I have given a smooth and realistic texture to these drawings. So let's get started. For this you should have a paper and a blue ball pen, then you are good to go. At the beginning you have to be very careful while putting tip of your pen. It should be in inclined position and you should move your pen very smoothly and gently in only one direction, just like I am doing here. Here you have to apply smooth and even pressure on the pen, hence you get a smooth texture. It will take much time but at the end result will be very good, so you have to be very patient. Okay, now I show you how we all do a common mistake. At the beginning we took tip of our pen perpendicular to the paper and we apply more and uneven pressure on our pen, which result in dark and rough texture, just like I am doing here. So you should avoid this mistake. So at the end here I am taking a half done sketch. So now I show you how I use pen to my drawings to give a smooth and realistic texture. So watch carefully. So as you can see the result. Hope you like the video and my drawing. If you like it then must like this video and share this video with your friends.